The augmented data document is the quick and easy way to file and manage documents in an augmented way. A simple and intuitive method allows you to label your documents and keep track of where they are, to share and keep them ready at hand, and above all, to add to their content. Even all those papers which always seem to pile up and never quite go away. How? By using innovative technologies within the reach of everyone. Imagine that the folders on your PC are simply digital duplicates of your real library. In these folders, you save the documents of your projects, texts, video images, graphics, cloud links, and contacts. Think now of dragging one of these onto a button and putting it into a QR code, which, moreover, is customizable. You can save all the data you want in your cloud and connect it in a new generation QR code of the multi-dynamic sort. You will be able to innovate your entire archive, both quickly and easily, making it highly portable. And most importantly, you can add an infinite amount of further data, information, and in complete freedom, and from any device. Register for free on adplus.it. AdPlus, the innovative management of documents.